Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. We're all about providing tools and resources to help maintenance and reliability teams succeed. Today, we're going to dive into the essentials of warehouse organization to maximize your operations. We'll focus on three crucial areas that can transform your warehouse into an efficient and effective hub: smart layout design, powerful management software, and reliable labeling systems. We'll also explore practical examples and solutions along the way. So if you're looking to streamline your warehouse processes for better productivity, stay tuned. If you're looking to organize your warehouse in the best possible way, you'll want to focus on these three key areas. By concentrating on these aspects, you can create a system that works for everyone involved without slowing down or halting production. Organizing a warehouse can sometimes feel like an uphill battle, especially when emergencies or high-order volumes come into play. But investing time to streamline your organization processes and logistics can yield incredible results. A well-organized warehouse simplifies the process of receiving items, moving them to their proper locations, and shipping them out to customers. So let's dive into how you can leverage better layouts, implement cost-effective management solutions, and establish labeling systems that stand the test of time. First up, let's talk about physical layout design. Optimizing your warehouse layout can significantly boost efficiency and overall organization. But before you start knocking down walls, remember that a complete rebuild is rarely necessary. It's essential to ensure it's absolutely needed before embarking on any major renovations. Safety should always be your top priority. Start by addressing any clear hazards like unstable shelves or slippery floors. Implement systems like stackable bins and shipping stations to make your warehouse safer and more functional. Keep your warehouse clean, store similar items together, and aim to minimize the steps required to complete daily tasks. Next, consider creating and updating your floor plans. This can quickly highlight inefficiencies and help you reorganize your space for better productivity. Remember to define your objectives clearly. Consider applying the 80-20 rule and group like items together. Now let's talk about your shelves and storage. Over time, these areas can become cluttered and may not serve their original purpose. Regularly reassess your storage systems to ensure they're still meeting your needs. Another crucial aspect to consider is the flow of your warehouse. This refers to how items and people move through your space. A good flow can improve productivity and efficiency, but it's essential to consider common trouble spots like entrances and exits, time clocks, awkward corners, and ineffective organization practices. Regular maintenance and periodic inspections are also key to keeping your warehouse running smoothly. It can be tempting to skip these tasks when things are going well, but this can lead to bigger problems down the line. Now let's talk about software solutions. According to the Logistics Bureau, about 85% of distribution centers had implemented some sort of warehouse software by 2015. These solutions can include inventory management software, CMMS, enterprise management software, and work order software. Each of these can help you better manage your inventory, streamline your workflow, and keep your warehouse organized. Finally, let's discuss labeling systems. Modern technology like barcoding and RFID tags have made it easier than ever to label and track inventory items. Handheld devices can quickly scan and upload information to your central database, keeping your inventory records up to date. Remember, every warehouse is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. It's important to find the solutions that best meet your specific needs. Whether you're managing multiple warehouses or making small changes over time, we wish you the best of luck in your warehouse organization journey. And that wraps up our discussion on warehouse organization. We've covered the importance of a smart layout design, powerful management software, and reliable labeling systems. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to visit upkeep.com to learn more about how we can help you achieve your warehouse organization goals. Remember, your warehouse's success is our priority.